In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grow your Discord server. The focus is simple: share your server invite link in places where lots of people are already active. Done right, this single tactic can bring in real, engaged members while keeping you in good standing with community guidelines. Start by identifying big, active communities that are genuinely related to what your server offers. Relevance matters because people are more likely to join and stay if your server fits their interests. Before you post anything, take a moment to read each server's rules. Many large servers have a dedicated channel for promotions or a specific day and format for sharing links. Use those spaces and respect those formats. Posting where it isn't allowed or dropping links without context can be seen as spam, and that can get you muted, banned, or reported. When you share your link, pair it with a short, clear description that highlights the value of your community. A couple of sentences is enough. Explain who the server is for, what makes it useful or fun, and what a new member can expect when they join. Keep it friendly, honest, and specific. Avoid tagging people who didn't ask to be tagged and never mass DM your link. Unsolicited messages are almost always against server rules and are a quick way to lose trust. Make sure your invite link actually works and stays active long enough for people to use it. If you plan to share it in a high traffic channel, it helps to verify that the link won't expire too quickly or limit the number of uses by accident. After posting, stick around for a bit. If someone replies with a question or wants more details, answer them. That little bit of engagement shows you're not just dropping a link and disappearing, and it can significantly improve your results. Pace yourself. Sharing the same link repeatedly in a short period, even in a promotion channel, can come across as spammy. It's better to post thoughtfully, provide context, and rotate where you share over time. Track what works by noticing where new members say they found you and refine your message based on the responses you get. Above all, be respectful of each community. The goal isn't just to grow numbers, it's to invite the right people to a space they'll enjoy. If you approach big servers with relevance, permission, and a clear message, your invite will feel like a helpful recommendation rather than an interruption.